Hey, how's it going? My name is Zach. I'm with Three Peaks Trading here. I sadly didn't get a chance to trade this morning. However, I did want to kind of go over the video yesterday. I ran into some weird issues with the paper trading, so I kind of wanted to review that and just give you guys instructions on how to fix it for yourselves if you run into the same issue. So I did kind of address that I am on paper trading and all the data is delayed by like an odd 15 minutes. I talked about that, I think, my first video ever. The thing is, I didn't realize that the data is delayed. However, the trades still go off of the live data, like the up-to-date market, right? So yesterday I was watching XNet here and watching a bit of a breakout. So I'm looking for a micro pullback in here, and you see me hovering up here over the buy with a market order, and I watch it pop up to 594, and then it starts to pull back here, and we get a new candle quick in the red, and I'm trying out a new, I think it's called a limit order, where I place that limit order at 594. So if it breaks the previous high that I was looking at, I wanted to buy immediately, switch over to a market order, buy immediately, and try and catch it on the way up after it sets up this bull flag here. I then also go on and I set a stop loss down here somewhere, and I forget exactly where. But as I go to set the stop loss, I realize that I'm already in, but the price has never passed 594, so I get really confused. And so I do find out what the issue is, but first let's watch through this. So I'm thinking about buying the market order, and you watch the mouse come over here. So right there, I place my order, and it immediately gets filled. And you can see that my profit loss for the day is already down $67, and I only bought 100 shares. So immediately, something's seriously wrong. And honestly, I set the stop loss, then I start to realize what's going on, and I think pretty soon after, I get a little bit of my money back, and then I just call it, and I end up stopping out manually with the sell via market order. So after dancing around a bit, and you can kind of see, like, I'm looking at my monitor to see when I got in, and you can see that the price is like 651 and 656 when these prices are set, but I was looking to buy at 595, so there's a huge difference there between what I was actually placing the order at and what I was seeing in the charts here. So after dancing around, I hop over to my live account, and you could see that at the same time, just add the 15-minute delay, I'm looking right in this candle here is when I was actually trading, even though I was placing orders right in here. So that is something to do with Thinkorswim's paper trading, the paper money system, right? So now you can see I have real-time data turned on. So really it's just reaching out to support to ask for them to turn that on, and you do have to, they end up asking you a couple questions like why do you want live data, what are you using paper money for, and do you intend on putting money into their system, right? So you come up here to support chat, and I just went through live support, and you could actually see my exact transcript from when this was going on. So I just kind of explain, I'm trying to test it out. I want to see how good the execution speeds are. I'm trying to like practice a bit. And he just kind of asks me like, hey, why are you using it? What are you testing? And also how much funds do you intend on putting on the account? And I kind of explained that because of PDT and I will be day trading, I'm looking for about $30,000, which I doubt they're ever going to check that if you guys don't have $30,000 to throw in an account when you're first starting out trading. maybe you say that anyway. I really don't know. But they seemed extremely helpful. It was a very quick and painless process. Like, I think overall it took 5-10 minutes maybe. And you could just kind of throw up the question in the background and it'll send a little alarm whenever they respond. And then you just flips a switch and suddenly you're on real-time data. So then you're watching the actual market at the right time. The bell will actually ring at 9:30 a.m. for Eastern, which I'm in Mountain Time. So 7:30 a.m. the bell will actually ring for the paper trading. So yeah, hopefully that helps some of you guys out, and I hope to see you next time.